we have gotten right. parents' fault for.
Not watching them forget them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, maybe that's just natural selection in action right there. Pace. Not to like pester her. The last thing she needs is more stress. Not with her jaw wired shut. But
That's got to be the hardest thing for getting the
but you know, we've been texting. She does that anyway, so.
So they feel like they got it all. They always say that.
Well, they wouldn't have quit if they didn't think they did. They moved her feeding tube from her mouth to her stomach, you know, like the one you had. I really haven't heard anything else. I guess no news is good news. Grandpa Clark died. Didn't think he did. You know, I know damn well that Jeff would let me know if something like that happened to Mom. before when I was riding a lot, it was almost all trail, and you spend all your time up off the seat. My dogs are barking. And by dogs, I don't mean feet. Reasonable approximation thereof.
Getting hot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That is a pretty nice seat.
Yep.
Snag me one of these.
It's only like 25
It's just
bucks.
off the shelf bell.
Yeah. Yeah, 14.
Academy.
Was it 14.99 or no? 24.99.
24.
24.99.
I tell you what, the tires and tubes and everything I bought to convert my bike for mostly road use were so much cheaper at Academy.
And you know, it depends on which academy you go to too. Because I went to one academy, they didn't really have very much of anything. And then I went to take it. What I
Am
bought.
I doing this right?
Yeah. That's what you had.
Well, was yours
Except
further
that-
forward?
Except this was inside the spokes. So that it'll.
So Marta's crank is backward.
No, Marta's crank was right there. That's why that padding is there. Maybe I was out one.
No? Because there was one between me and you.
I think
And
you
this
just
was-
gotta move it up more.
This was. Okay. Put it on there. See what I mean? I think yours was further. Maybe this way.
Yeah, maybe we'll put it out.
I mean, there's only two ways to get clearance.